The Green Harithan, the promoted by P3P organization. It is normally we held it on Green Earth Day, that is February 20th. So normally the close to that Sunday we will organize. This is the fifth series of Green Harithan promoted P3PA, and all this event is promoted P3PA. It is a young organization. It's just 5 years old. And the beauty of this organization is that this organization is promoted by young students, basically engineering students, realizing the need of earth to be green, which will give the oxygen, the life for the earth. That means they realize that if they don't protect the earth with the green and all, they realize, because they're all young engineers, they realize technically that we need to be protected this earth. To protect the earth, more and more greenery is need of the hour. So realizing when they were in students, and then very limited people like us was promoted it and supported them. It's not the promoter, it supported them to conduct this event annually. And there's no big people behind it. They themselves, all the students, now of course they are doing their businesses and jobs, but they don't leave it. So they are continuing, and you see that the fifth year, every year, from the first event onwards, we are with this organization. Every year by year, it is growing, despite there's no big people behind it. So that's the beauty, and I hope and I wish this event regularly goes on. Apart from this annual event, this organization will keep doing the plantation and education at various colleges and states to promote and educate, especially that young generation, to work for the green. That is the beauty. I request everyone through this Highbiz Media that we need to support this young organization who is working towards educating people to know the importance of green, and also keep doing plantation across the Hyderabad and beyond Hyderabad. So the seniors must support it so that this organization will help society back, being an young guys. So this is the more important task which elders must support this for our young generation benefit, for the healthy environment, to keep this earth to be protected. So more green. That's what Harithan does. So I wish this Harithan will do many events like this. Thank you.